Hi, this is the assembly video for Allen 2-inch Deluxe hitch bike carrier. I got all these parts including nut, bolt and manual. First thing, we will assemble these two parts. Remove this knob. After removing the knob, remove this cap as well. We don't need this. Align the holes. In the first one we can put the knob back, and in the second hole we'll put the nut and bolt. We have three different kind of nut and bolt come with this rack. We will use the 3x4 one. Now put it this way. Now take another part for assembly. Remember, this side should be faced toward us. There are two holes. We will use these small two nut and bolt. I laid down the carrier on the floor and center aligned the holes. It is very easy. We completed the assembly. To open a rack, remove this knob. Make the carrier straight and put the knob back. Final step is to attach carrier with the hitch. I am using nut and bolt which came with the carrier. Center align the holes with the hitch and tighten the nut and bolt properly. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up.